In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add clips in Davinci Resolve. So Davinci Resolve might look different on each computer depending on the user, but this is the general setup. You have your media pool on the left hand side and then your editing workspace on the right hand side of that. The quickest way to add media or clips into your media pool is to simply just right click on the media pool and then click on import media. Then you can import whatever video that you want to import, or video or image. Right click again, import media. Let me do this one for an example. And these are just random videos that are recorded. And then from here, all you need to do is drag them into your timeline. So the first one has been added. I can go to the end. And then I can add the second one, and you just add them into your timeline just like that. So that is how you add clips in Davinci Resolve. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.